Today we're going to make crochet hearts like these. I did a post about them last year for Valentine's Day on my blog, and they were very popular. And you know, you can use hearts a million different ways, and everybody needs a whole bunch of them to make garland, decorate packages or cards or anything like that. So they're a fun little project, especially for beginners. So you start with one little circle here, tie a knot. I try to keep it pretty loose and leave a long tail so you have something to hold on to. And we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 3 triple crochets into the first chain. And how you triple crochet, if you've never done it before, is you wrap it around your hook twice. You go into your first chain, and then that gives you 4 loops on your hook. You're going to go through 2, go through the next 2, and then go through the next 2. 1 triple crochet. So here we go. We'll do it again, around twice in the first chain, through the 2, through the second 2, through the third 2, and our last one. It's a little hard to kind of hold at the beginning, so just go slow because it kind of wiggles around more. And once you have it built up a little bit, it's a lot easier. So after you have 3 triple crochets, you're going to chain 1. And now we're going to double crochet 3. So to double crochet, you just go around once. You go back into your first chain, through 2, through 2, and do it again, around once. The first chain, through 2, and through 2. Little fuzz there. Get away. And the last one. There we go. Pull on that. So now we're going to chain 1 again. Now this is going to make the half of a heart here when we do this. So we're going to triple crochet 1. It's going to be the bottom pointy part. So we're through 2, next 2, and the next 2. There you go. Half a heart. So now you're basically doing the same thing opposite over here. So we're going to double crochet 3 now. This is 1. 2, 3. Okay, chain 1 again, and now we're going to triple crochet 3. That little piece down, right through the center. Well, now it's the center, but it was your first chain. So this is 1. Oops, I already messed up that one. Triple crochet. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So after we do those 3, we're going to do something different. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take your hook, put it right through the center, grab the yarn, and make a slip knot. Slip stitch, sorry, slip knot is restaurant near us. So you make a slip stitch, bring it through, pull it all the way through like that. I kind of pull it tight usually. And then I like to take the hook through the center, grab that little piece of yarn, bring it to the back. I don't know if you can see it down here, but I'll try to do it up here. Tie a knot. I usually make it pretty tight. Cut it. And mush it around to make it just right. Pull on it a little. And there you go. You have yourself a crochet heart. And you can find the tutorial on everythingetsy.com. And you can also find lots of pictures to go along with it. So I think with the video, you ought to be able to make 1,000,000 of them and really spread the love. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.